Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and here at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Mobile Network Settings and Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we've got those things separated, which is quite nice. So let's begin with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it. Be aware because you cannot undo this action, and tap on Reset. And as you can see, we just successfully did it. And the same situation with Mobile Network Settings. Just tap on it and tap on Reset Settings. Here we will have to confirm everything with our screen lock. Again, the information that we cannot undo this action. Tap on Reset Settings and it has been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.